best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. To enter, you just subscribe and leave a respectful comment. A shout out to Joyce, Christy B65, Debbie, Maybelline, Nancy, Rockstar, Helen, Vicky, and Ellie. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I thought we would do a tag flip. So these little printouts were free from my porch prints, and they were huge. They were really, really big, and I downsized them. And I went ahead and I backed them, and I went ahead and I inked the edge. So I thought that we could put some, actually first we're going to decorate. Which one do we want? I think I want this one maybe to be the front. I think so. I think I want this one to be the front. So I was thinking maybe I could layer it up just a little bit and maybe put this on, and then maybe this, and then maybe something on here. Anyway, let's just start. So I'll get my glue page, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on here. I hope everyone's doing well today. It was a very warm day today, but rained, drizzle off and on, and it's very dreary, kind of misty outside right now. All right, let's cut this just like that. Okay. Put this on the side there. It's got a little glue on it. As my glue stick goes flying. Now, I thought that I might put this on here and actually cut it to fit. Do I really like that? Or would I rather have this? There's something about this I really like. I'm not sure if it's the color. It might be the color. I am going to fussy cut this just a little bit, not real close. I would like the blue to show a little. I think that's a very pretty blue. There. Oh yes, I think that is very, oh, it fits on there perfectly now. Okay, I think I would like to stitch around this, and I guess I'm going to stitch around that one as well. Before or after I put that flower on? Maybe after. So I guess I better put that flower on. There we are. I'm going to stitch around the edge, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I went ahead and sewed around the edges. Now I'm going to take this tip right off of this. I don't want that tip on there. So that will sit on there. Oh, I'm thinking that looks very attractive. Now I really like this dark label right down there. And I'm not sure, do I want another piece of doily down here too? I think I do. So I am actually going to go ahead and put the glue stick on here, because the glue stick comes through that those holes in that doily. And I don't like that. Okay. Now I'm just going to give it a trim. Just like that. That looks beautiful. So get my little label again, and excuse the reach, I am going to ink it even though it's black. You really can't see it, but I did it anyway. I put this right here. I like that very much. I do. Now, I'm going to add, here's the back. I'm going to go ahead and trim that right there. I need to probably sew this as well. So let me do that before we hook them together. All right, I sewed that around. I really like how that's looking. Now I've got 3 pieces of coffee dyed paper. This one is the grid paper, and it has little pieces of doily on it as well. I think that's real sweet. I am going to trim around this tag just like this. All right, and I'm going to put the back on it, line it up best I can, and I'm going to put this on it as well. Now I'm going to get my hole punch, and it's a small hole punch, and I'm going to go ahead and punch my hole. There we are, and I have a little fastener here. It's a little gold fastener. I'm going to put that on and open it up. Just like that. And there we are. And you can journal on these pages. And I think that would be a beautiful addition to your journal. I hope you enjoyed this, and see me in my next video. I'll be looking for you. Bye now.